Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to make Wi-Fi jammer using NodeMCU ESP8266. Enjoy! For this project you will need NodeMCU, micro USB cable and power supplier, for example power bank. First of all, about the NodeMCU, I bought it for about $7, so I think this isn't so expensive, I guess. Guys, you need to remember that the NodeMCU works only with 2.4 GHz networks, so it won't take any effects on 5 GHz networks. And now plug the NodeMCU to the power supply and check if the light on the board flashes. If it flashes, then you're ready to go. Now plug the NodeMCU to your PC and I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so once you are on your PC, you need to open up your internet browser and go to the first link from the description to download Windows 10 or 7 or 8 or 8.1 drivers to this device. Click on download, wait it to load, save it of course, and open up file manager. Go to downloads, and you don't need to unzip this, just open it with WinRAR, wait it to load, okay, open up and install the x64.exe. Okay, so second thing you need to download is ESP8266 .bin file. I would recommend you downloading the 512 kilobyte version because I've got many problems with 1 megabyte version, so download it and save it to your folder. Okay, so last thing you need to download is this exe file. Just click on it, click download, and it will begin downloading. Okay, once you downloaded all the files, go to the folder you've saved all the files, open ESP Flasher, wait it to load, okay, go to the config, select this icon, wait it to load, select the bin file, okay, and make sure that this cross is selected. Okay, now go to the advanced, select these things like what I selected, so 18 MHz DIO and 4M size. Okay, now plug in your NodeMCU. It should come up here with COM port 3 or 6 or 9. Okay, when it will come up, then click flash. I am not doing this right now because I've done it already. Okay, once you done the flashing, go to your internet browser and go to the following IP address that I am typing right now, that one, and hit enter. If the situation looks like this, just remember to connect to the pound network. This will be called pound network. I just changed its name. Okay, so this is loading. Remember to uncheck this on your main home network. Okay, so we are now connected. Select I have read and understood the notice above. Okay, so here we are on the JAMMER site. I will not explain you how this works. You will be able to do it yourself. So this is all for this tutorial. Hope you like it. If you did, leave that like under the video. If you have some problems or trouble with it, just ask me in the comment section. Okay, so this is it. See you on the next one.